You know, efficient systems don't just save power. They actually save lives when the lights stay on in a crisis. The lights you count on tomorrow depend on the work that we do today. Efficiency isn't just smart, it's actually safe. Our technology helps prevent overloads before they ever happen, so we safeguard the systems you rely on when it matters most. For example, in hospitals, critical systems stay online because power is protected through efficiency and design. In water systems, automation helps conserve energy and reduce failure, keeping water cleaner and safer. And our partners use automated systems to control processes, prevent downtime, and maintain efficient operations. You know, we build the electrification, networking, and automation solutions that make tomorrow's systems more stable, more responsive, and more secure. The more energy we conserve, the more people we protect. Because safety begins with stability. Every safer moment is powered by a system you never see, but yet always trust. At Phoenix Contact, we're powering a smarter, safer world efficiently.